In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use formulas across sheets in Microsoft Excel. If you've ever needed to total numbers stored on one worksheet and show the result on another, this is a very useful skill to learn. Linking formulas between sheets helps keep your workbook organized while still letting your calculations pull data from the right place. To begin, we're going to create a scheme using information from another sheet. For this example, start by navigating to the second sheet because that's where we want the formula and the final result to appear. Once you're on the second sheet, select the cell where you want to enter the formula. This is important because Excel will place the result in whichever cell is currently active. So take a second to make sure you've clicked exactly where you want the total to go. Since we want to add figures together, we'll use the sum formula. In the selected cell, type an equal sign followed by the word sum and then an open parenthesis. At this point, your formula should be started but not finished yet. Next, navigate back to the first sheet, which is called cost data, and locate the values you want to add together. This step is what makes the formula work across worksheets. Instead of typing the cell references manually, you can simply select the range directly from the other sheet. Now, click and drag your mouse across the data you want to include in the total. As you do that, Excel will automatically insert the correct sheet name and cell range into the formula for you. This is a helpful way to avoid mistakes, especially if you're working with a larger range of values. After selecting the data, click in the formula box and type a closing parenthesis to complete the sum formula. That closes the function and tells Excel that the selected range is everything you want included in the calculation. Once that's done, you'll be able to see that the formula on the second sheet has summed the data from the first sheet. This is a simple but powerful way to connect information between worksheets without duplicating data. A useful tip here is to always double check that you selected the correct range before finishing the formula. Even a small selection error can change the final total. It also helps to keep your sheet names clear and organized so formulas are easier to understand later. And that's how to link formulas between worksheets in Microsoft Excel.